If f of x equals 5 sine x over 3 plus cosine x, find f prime of x. Okay, so 5 sine x over 3 plus cosine x. I'm using the quotient rule here because I have two functions that are divided. This is the numerator and denominator. Their derivatives are 5 cosine x, and the derivative of a constant is 0, so this just becomes negative sine x. So these two items multiply together first, so it would be 5 cosine x times the quantity 3 plus cosine x minus, and then I have 5 sine x times negative sine x, which would be plus 5 sine squared x, all over 3 plus cosine x squared. And this is a perfectly fine answer. You could leave it here. I do believe there is some simplification that we could do. And any simplification you do makes it easier to type your answer into the answer box. So let's go with it here. Distributing 5 cosine x into these parentheses here, I would have 15 cosine x plus 5 cosine squared x plus 5 sine squared x, all over 3 plus cosine x squared. And these two terms here are interesting because if you factor out a 5 from each of those, that leaves cosine squared x plus sine squared x, and that just equals 1. So this becomes 1. That all reduces to simply a 5. So this becomes 15 cosine x plus 5 all over 3 plus cosine x squared. And that's a much simpler form, definitely easier to type into the answer box, or if you needed to find another derivative or anything. But you really don't have to stop there. There's a common factor of 5, which you could pull out, leaving cosine x plus 3. What's really nice about that is that now matches the factor that's in the denominator. So you can cancel 3 plus cosine x with one of them down here and get a much simpler form of the final answer like this.